Pros add polish to packages, wreaths, and all kinds of holiday decorating, and these beauties do it with style and ease. I use templates of fishtails in sewing so that it will have a perfect finish. In making template, you cut a strip of cardboard and then fold one of the ends in half. Then start at the outside edge where two ends meet and cut up to the middle on the diagonal. When you open your cardboard end, you will have a perfect fishtail. Be careful not to twist the ribbon. Fold it back and forth out itself, forming 2 loops at the top and 1 loop in the bottom center. Think about the bunny ear trick for tying shoelaces you learned as a kid. Once you've made the bunny ear, cross the right loop over the left loop where the bases meet. Make sure the tails are equal length and flat. Fold loops. Fold what is now the left loop down behind the right loop and through the bottom loop. I do hope that this has helped you to create those perfect fishtails, and you go on to make many more. Of course, if you sell your products, you could make up packs of ribbons with fishtails in the end.